Professor Madhu Veeraraghavan is the Director and TAPI Chair Professor of Finance at TAPI Management Institute, Manipal. He joined TAPME in 2013 as the TAPI Chair Professor of Finance. He held position of Head of Department of Accounting, Economics and Finance 2014-2015. Chairman, International Relations 2015-2016, followed by Research Chair and Head 2015-2017 before being appointed as the Director, TAPME in April 2017. His vision is for TAPME to be one among the top leading B schools in India and to set an international benchmark, at least in Asia-Pacific region. He wishes to achieve student-centered learning atmosphere and to focus on impactful research.
So, just articulating the primary objective of a future TAPMEan to be a part of an ecosystem that gives him or her a leadership role in the top-notch companies in the world only happens when the relevancy of the course that you're doing is closest to the reality and the expectation of the industry itself. And in terms of the academic curriculum, in terms of the processes that we have in place as far as the learning systems are concerned, I think all of these are moving towards that direction. But a very important element also of the mission of TAPME involves research. And research sometimes also is needed to explore uncharted territories or frontiers that have not been broken. Is the research also aligned to what industry needs at TAPME? And if yes, then how?
Okay, really good question. I think it's an excellent point to make. Let me answer this in two parts. There is no question, Ayush, that research is very important for a business school prof because professors do three things. They do creation of knowledge, they do dissemination of knowledge, and they also help in practice of that knowledge. So research talks about creation of knowledge. We create new knowledge, which is spoke about frontiers and uncharted territories. The dissemination happens when you get into a classroom. And the practice of it happens when you do this sort of industry-relevant research. I'll give you a couple of examples. It may be a little long story to a very pointed question, but nevertheless. So much of the research that we do is academic in nature. I have to accept that. But there is now an emerging trend at TAPME that we want to also be doing research that is what I call industry-focused. So there are a number of questions today the industry is grappling with, but they don't have the expertise, the time, the resources to be able to answer these questions. So we're working very closely with the CFA Society of India. And there are numerous questions, and they have a journal called Financial Analyst Journal, which is their in-house journal. And every academic would love to have a paper published in there because they are hardcore, practitioner questions, but with very good empirics, and the papers obviously, get published after a number of rounds of review.
Even case study creation for that matter, in partnership with these
Absolutely. So one is to look at industry-related questions, which we as professors are able to do a lot of research and answer those questions. And I think that industry-academia interface would really help solve some of the problems you have highlighted. Case studies is actually a brilliant way to do it. And there are a lot of professors at TAPME today working with a number of companies. And those companies have come to us and said, you know what, we want you to write a case on our company. And here is somebody from our company who will work with you on this. I mean, just imagine, you take the case study, you go to the classroom, it has your name on that case study, you are teaching that student. Who better to teach that case study in the class than a faculty who's written that case? Currently, we are doing all Harvard cases, and these students have no idea who those people are, right? I mean, we may know them, but they have no idea. But if an MVR has a name on the case, and I'd say it's my case, I've done it for X company, and today we're going to work on that case, that tells them a whole new sort of idea about, oh wow, here is my prof, who's done it and then we're working together. So the case studies obviously is a great way to break this box, almost a log jam, if you like. The other thing I'm thinking is having a lot of industry academia events. I'll give you one example of what TAPME does. So in January of each year, we run something called as a TAPME Max Planck Winter School on Bounded Rationality. And for the first time this year, we have invited 10 very, very senior industry professionals to participate with us, and we'll be talking about biases in capital markets, heuristics, how do they use, behavioral finance application in capital markets. And this is going to be a dialogue between industry professionals who are very, very senior people from top companies and us as professors and other PhD students. So one more time, this connection between industry academia comes in, and that will obviously create a lot more questions, research questions, which we should be able to answer. Unfortunately, what's happened, I want to summarize this very quickly. Unfortunately, what's happened is the government of India has not looked at sort of promoting industry academia research. And around the world, I know lots of countries, and I've been a recipient of grants back in Australia. It's called an ARC, the Australian Research Council linkage scheme, where what the government of Australia does is it says, you bring in $1 of grant from the company, and the government of Australia will match that, so that then there's a commitment. Everybody's together, everybody's invested. So my view would be that the government of India looks at some sort of benchmarking with countries around the world, and maybe we can have an Indian government of India scheme that sort of facilitates bringing together industry and academia and sort of work on those sorts of questions. But yeah, this is a really fantastic question, because that is something we do, but I think we want to improve and do much more than what we're currently doing.